Joining me now to discuss is David Bellinger, senior analyst at Mizuho. David, I imagine this also makes it really difficult to forecast what these companies are up against, because if the president says something different in a day or a week or a month, I guess the stock has the opposite reaction.
Hey, John, thanks for having me. And yeah, this has been an incredibly dynamic operating environment for any retailer, let alone this home furnishing space and the broader home space that's seen a lot of moving pieces with tariffs, with interest rates. So there's definitely a lot to digest here. But we think that not pushing these tariffs through yesterday, as they were supposed to, we think that this signals maybe a broader change from the Trump administration, that they know how important the housing market is for the U.S. economy. Maybe there are some levers at play, push back some of these tariffs. We've heard of rumblings about 50-year mortgages. Maybe there's some other levers that they can pull to get the housing market going again. And that really opens up a gateway to spending, right? You buy a house, you furnish it, you buy appliances, you might have kids, you buy a car. It really opens up a much wider aperture for spending. And we think the administration has this in mind here.
But it sure is hard to forecast or to invest based on a maybe. What more information can you get that'll give you a firmer sense of what the rules of the road are going to continue to be under this administration?
Yeah, look, we take this day by day, just like you guys. But what I'd say for a company like a Wayfair, as we dig deeper and try to find some of these fundamental trends that are happening under the surface here, you've had a home furnishings category that's really had all this pent-up demand. It seems like the sector has been stabilizing lately, but it's been choppy at best. And what we've looked at is the 2020 pandemic influx and the stimulus influx and all the activity in the category. That was a long time ago, right? We're 5+ years out from that. There is some type of refresh cycle that we think is taking place that affects Wayfair, Home Depot, Lowe's, all these home-connected companies. And sort of this digestion period we think is near the end, if not over. And if you just look at Wayfair's last quarter, U.S. revenues grew about 9%. That's a pretty big number for them, taking a lot of share. Speaks a lot to what they've done and drive engagement through their app, drive great selectivity, speed of delivery. So it's all coming together, but under the surface, there are other helpers.
I'm looking at Ethan Allen, which, if I recall, had a significant North American supply chain. It's actually down 17% over the past year. And so I wonder to what degree companies have already retooled their supply chains and whether these shifts policy-wise in the short term have much of an effect operationally on these companies.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, a lot of this has happened very quickly. Sourcing product away from China, moving to Vietnam, other Southeast Asian countries, that definitely helps. I'm not as familiar with Ethan Allen, but for Wayfair, for example, they function much more like a marketplace. So they don't actually take on inventory risk. That allows them to flex sourcing up and down, country to country, and allows them to move a lot more quickly. We've seen they haven't pushed price as much as others. We think that's part of this whole accelerating share angle for a Wayfair. It's this marketplace-like model that allows them to avoid some of these issues.
All right.